Hello everyone, welcome back to M365 Professional. Today we discuss using styles in Microsoft Word for consistent formatting. Microsoft Word offers a powerful feature called Styles, which helps users apply consistent formatting throughout a document. Whether you're working on a business report, academic paper, or professional proposal, using styles can save time, enhance readability, and ensure a polished appearance. We will explore what styles are in Microsoft Word, benefits of using styles, how to apply and modify styles, creating custom styles, using styles to generate a table of contents. What are styles in Microsoft Word? A style is a predefined set of formatting options, including font type, size, color, spacing, and alignment, that can be applied to text or paragraphs with a single click. Instead of manually formatting each section, styles allow for quick and uniform adjustments across the document. Microsoft Word provides several built-in styles, such as heading styles, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, body text styles, normal, quote, emphasis, table styles for formatting tables, list styles for numbered or bulleted lists. Benefits of using styles: 1. Consistency across the document. Using styles ensures that headings, body text, and lists maintain the same appearance throughout the document, eliminating formatting inconsistencies. 2. Faster formatting. Applying a style is quicker than manually adjusting font settings every time. With just one click, multiple formatting changes can be applied instantly. 3. Easy document updates. If you need to change the font or spacing for all headings, you only have to modify the style once, and the changes will be applied throughout the document. 4. Automatic table of contents. Talk generation. Word can generate a table of contents based on the heading styles, making it easier to navigate long documents. 5. Professional and polished appearance. Documents formatted using styles appear well-structured and easier to read, which enhances professionalism. How to apply styles in Microsoft Word. To apply styles to your text, select the text, a heading, paragraph, or list. Go to the Home tab. In the Styles group, choose a style, e.g., heading 1, heading 2, or normal. Click the style, and the formatting will be applied instantly. Using the Styles pane for more control over styles, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the Styles group. The Styles pane will appear on the right side, allowing you to select and modify styles. How to modify styles in Microsoft Word. Sometimes the default styles may not fit your needs. To modify an existing style, right-click on a style in the Styles gallery on the Home tab. Select Modify. In the Modify Style window, adjust font, size, color, spacing, or alignment. Click OK, and the updated style will be applied throughout the document, creating custom styles. If the built-in styles don't meet your requirements, you can create your own. Open the Styles pane. Home tab gives. Click the small arrow in the Styles group. Click New Style. In the Create New Style window, enter a name for the style. Select font type, size, color, and paragraph settings. Choose style based on, e.g., normal, heading 1. Click OK to save it. The new style will now appear in the Styles gallery, ready for use. Using styles to generate a table of contents. A well-structured document often includes a table of contents. Talk. Microsoft Word can automatically create one if you use heading styles. Steps to insert a talk. Apply heading styles. Heading 1. Heading 2. etc. to your section titles. Place your cursor where you want the table of contents. Go to the References tab. Click Table of Contents. Choose a built-in TOC style. Word will generate a talk based on the applied heading styles. To update the talk after making changes, click inside the table of contents. Select Update Table. Choose Update Entire Table or Update Page Numbers only. Conclusion. Using styles in Microsoft Word is an efficient way to maintain consistent formatting, improve readability, and streamline document editing. By applying built-in or custom styles, modifying them as needed, and utilizing styles for creating a table of contents, you can produce professional-looking documents with minimal effort. Start using styles today and experience the difference in your workflow. Thanks for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe to us for more videos. Thank you.